Hi viewers, and welcome back to Pros TV. This is another day and also another video right here. In today's video, we are going to see a test preparation for a very nice and a beautiful RC project. On my table, I have a motor fan, honestly an engine that I'm trying to make this out of. This is also a solar carrier. This is a solar panel. This is a lithium-ion dry cells that some are arranged in parallel connection, and also the parallel connections are now arranged into series connection. Honestly, I believe you know what parallel and then series connection is. Parallel is two batteries are put together, and series means they are all connected in a straight line. All right. Here too, I have the DIY Mercedes Benz, which I'll be converting into a monster one, and also it has to be solar powered one. Solar, and also it will be powered by these dry cells. Honestly, let's not waste time at all. I want us to go and have a feel of how this dry cell actually can make this run. This is the engine. And this is where I will be putting in the tire, the rubber band, to be connected to the wheel or the shaft of the back wheels to drive and give more power. Alright, so I'll be putting this down here this way. Okay, then I'll connect my positive and my negative terminals to both endings. This is a beginning or an ending, and also the other side too as well. Okay, I'll just hold it, then bring it back small. I'll attach my wire to this place, okay, and also the other side too as well. So look what is going to happen. Just look at the wheel. Wow, did you hear that? This is lu1ld sword. Let's hear that. Let's hear that power again. This motor is very, very powerful. I wasn't expecting this speed at all. Let's check it out once again. Wow, this motor is very, very powerful, trust me. Okay. You can see that the strength is not that much. But anyway, still can do the job. Over here, there is not much power to drive. What about here? I don't know why. Let me see. It seems just this one alone are not powerful enough. Yeah, the power really comes from this one and this one here. Yeah. These are the only ones doing the job. Alright, so I'm still making preparations as well. Yeah. This is another same type of the motor. I wanted to use this gear shaft. These gear ones are really going to give a lot of power. But whenever you connect a gear to another gear, we need to calculate the gear ratio as well as the efficiency as well. We need to also calculate the torque, which is the driven power, or the amount of speed that will be produced when a little gear is connected to a high ratio or reduced gear. All right, so this is all I have for you today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I urge you to subscribe, receiving more of our videos, our upcoming videos. And if hit it right away. If you're a lover of creative DIY and also RC making, then you find yourself here, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Add me to your communities or add me to your subscribe channels so that I too can have the space to also show you what I've got. Sure. And if you also have any video that is related to this, kindly put it in the comment section right down below so that I can look at it and see what's in right there. All right, without wasting my time, I want to say shout out to all Nabias and also all senior high schools around in Ghana. If you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any part of the videos I'll be posting. I'll be creating this, I'll be building it. Honestly, it will be powered with very huge monster tires here. Very huge monster tires indeed. And it's going to be an awesome project, all driven with this single motor. It's a very powerful one. I think it is next to 12-volt motor. Very powerful. So I don't want you to miss this video. Hit the subscribe button right now. Do not waste time, just hit it so that you receive the video anytime I post it. All right, bigs up Pros TV.